Allah has sent the book down to take them out of darkness into light. Allah says in the Qur'an, وَأَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكُمْ نُورًا مُبِينًا. We have sent down to you a clear light. In more than 10 verses, Allah describes the Qur'an as a nur. The Qur'an itself is a light. And Allah says the Qur'an takes you from darkness to light. So the purpose of the Qur'an is to achieve illumination. What this means, brothers and sisters, is the following. This world is immersed in darkness. There is no light of a spiritual nature that we can find without the Qur'an. There is no ultimate guidance without the Qur'an. Allah says, the only thing that will take you out of your darknesses into the light, يُخْرِجُهُم مِّنَ الظُّلُمَاتِ إِلَى النُّورِ. The darknesses are plural. There are many darknesses. There's one light. There is no source of light except for the Qur'an. Anybody who thinks they can achieve ultimate guidance, ultimate truth, ultimate spirituality without the Qur'an is mistaken. The only source of light in this entire dark world, the only source, and this is very, very important because other groups, philosophers, modern thinkers, they think we can discover the truth on our own. And the Qur'an says, no, your truths will never be permanent and 100%. Your truths will never be definitive. It is only the Qur'an. And that's why when this verse finishes, the very next verse, Allah says, وَمَن لَّمْ يَجْعَلِ اللَّهُ لَهُ نُورًا فَمَا لَهُ مِن نُور. Whomever Allah does not give light to shall never have light. There is no light except the light of the Qur'an. The only light that will guide you in this world of darkness is the Qur'an.